This tutorial will show you how to access the Capcut PC free auto text free feature. Fast tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Step 1, assuming that you want to access the auto text feature for your video that has text.
This tutorial is downloading images using Safari.
You want to click or highlight your video on the video timeline in Capcut PC, right click, and click the option on the bottom hand screen, Extract Audio. Now Capcut PC has separated your audio track from your video track. The next step is to click or highlight your audio track on the timeline and go to the top left hand screen and click the third option, Text. In this case, you want to scroll all the way down until you see the option Auto Caption. You can change the language or you can access some pro features. In this case, Capcut PC says that you have one use left to generate the auto text, and it's up to you whether you want to use this or not. And once you click generate, Capcut PC would now have automatically generated the free Capcut PC free text feature completely for free.